A parent's worst nightmare is caught on doorbell camera footage. A father is involved in a horrifying ordeal after placing his 10-month-old child in the vehicle. The disturbing, haunting video, initially shared by Gilbert and Kuzi and now making rounds on TikTok by SY345, captures the disturbing incident. As you observe, the father secures the car seats and briefly returns indoors. Take note of the scary black car in the background, which comes to a sudden halt. In an instant, a suspect rushes toward the vehicle, swiftly ducking down to conceal themselves as the father emerges from the house once more. Realizing the imminent danger, the father confronts the suspect, and though they attempt to escape, they eventually decide to flee. This alarming event occurred in Brampton, Canada, but serves as a stark reminder that such incidents can occur anywhere in the world. It remains unclear why the suspect abandoned their pursuit, perhaps realizing the presence of a baby in the car and seeking to avoid potential consequences. It is also possible that the father's prompt response and confrontation unsettled the suspect. Regardless of the motive, this incident serves as a crucial lesson never to leave a running and unlocked car with children inside, underscoring the necessity to exercise caution in an unpredictable world. Could this woman be a victim of stalking? A video shared on TikTok by Ring Shenanigans portrays a distressing scene of a woman struggling to unlock her door upon arriving home at night.
Can't open the door.
From the woman's fearful whimper, it seems she is terrified by the presence of someone near her car. Fortunately, she manages to enter her house without further incident, but it appears that the car was following her, evident by its slow turn. Toward the end of the video, there's an unexplained honk, seemingly originating from the car in the driveway. Did the woman sound the horn from inside to intimidate the stalker? The exact circumstances remain unclear, but the suspicious driving behavior suggests something sinister is at play. A man's encounter with potential alien abduction is captured on video. The Howard Family 7743, a YouTuber, shares footage from their doorbell camera showing an unidentified flying object. The YouTuber explains that after returning from a store, they sensed an eerie atmosphere outside. Upon reviewing their doorbell footage, they came across this peculiar sighting. Can you offer any insight into what it might be, if not an extraterrestrial craft? The mysterious nature of the object has left the YouTuber puzzled, firmly believing it to be an unidentified flying object. Redditor Emily Strange shared a video featuring what they believed to be a Victorian child ghost captured by a Ring video camera. Let's watch the submission and examine the content for ourselves. The video sparked debates in the comments section. Most of the users suggested it could be just someone's child, but questioned how the child ended up inside the gated area. Emily responds, stating that they do not have children, and their yard is completely fenced, raising the possibility of a genuine ghost sighting. captured on the Ring doorbell camera. Now, which side of the debate do you find yourself on? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. In the eerie hours of 3:30 in the morning, a homeowner had an unsettling encounter with a young child. As shared by YouTuber Shane King, the doorbell footage evokes a sense of unease on multiple levels. The child knocks on the door, but suddenly glances behind her. She cautiously approaches the doorbell camera, but when it speaks, she quickly flees.
Motion.
Some viewers claim to spot a lurking figure in the darkness, leading them to suspect a potential setup for a home invasion. However, I personally couldn't see anyone, and the girl appeared genuinely frightened. Nevertheless, numerous comments suggest that the girl might have been sent as a ploy to deceive the homeowner into opening the door. Regardless of the situation's true nature, it is advised not to open the door and promptly contact the authorities. Could you imagine leaving your home if you were greeted by this chilling presence outside your apartment every night? Twitter user Queen Tracy captures this disturbing video, which is now shared on the YouTube channel Doorbell News. In the footage, a stalker in Dallas is seen lurking outside their victims' apartments while wearing a masked face. After a while, the stalker speaks, but their words are distorted. This unnerving behavior has been occurring nightly. And at times, the stalker even gets closer. Fortunately, the victim later reported that their friends and family confronted the individual, and security increased surveillance. Since then, the stalker has not been seen. Nevertheless, an experience like this would undoubtedly leave a lasting sense of paranoia. This horrifying incident captures the depths of evil. A doorbell camera recorded the disturbing actions of an ex-boyfriend seeking dark revenge on his former girlfriend. As she opens the door, there's an initial appearance of civility, although the man's suspicious behavior includes attempts to conceal the camera.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Good.
What's going on?
Nothing because I was in the neighborhood, so I got by so hard.
Moments later, she welcomes him into her home, a decision she would soon regret.
I just got out of the hospital. Almost died.
The video skips, but their voices reappear, and the woman recounts being attacked with a bottle and doused in alcohol. Shockingly, he confesses his intent to set her on fire.
I will. You gonna light me on fire because you just blew alcohol all over me?
Okay.
Now it's not over because now I'm going.
Although fortunately, it didn't escalate to that extent. This chilling event serves as a terrifying reminder of the evil that can hide even within those closest to us. Imagine the horror when a doorbell rings, and upon answering, you come face to face with a fist-sized spider. It's the stuff of nightmares that Redditor I'm Terrified of Sharks experienced as they shared this spine-chilling footage, captured by their Ring camera at 1 a.m. The identity of this unwelcome guest is subject to debate in the comments, with suggestions ranging from an American tarantula to a cane spider, depending on the location. Is it just me, or does it feel like the spider's presence can almost be felt crawling on your skin? Perhaps it's my own arachnophobia, but for me, this situation would undoubtedly lead to extreme measures, like considering burning down the house.